I am Tasim Raja, and I am going to talk about Al-Nassr. In the realm of football, few narratives captivate the soul like that of Al-Nassr. Their journey is not just about winning matches, it's a testament to the power of unwavering determination, teamwork, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Al-Nassr isn't just a club, it's a symbol of resilience, a beacon of hope, and a source of inspiration for millions. A legacy of glory. Founded in year, Al-Nassr swiftly rose to prominence, carving a path of success that would become the envy of their rivals. With each victory, they etched their name in the annals of football history, cultivating a legacy adorned with triumphs, championships, and moments of sheer brilliance. Challenges faced. However, their journey wasn't devoid of challenges. Like any great saga, Al-Nassr encountered setbacks that would have crippled lesser teams. But adversity only fueled their determination. They embraced challenges as opportunities for growth, refusing to succumb to the shackles of defeat. The heart of Al-Nassr. What truly sets Al-Nassr apart is not just their talent on the pitch, but the unwavering passion that pulses through the veins of every player, coach, and supporter. It's this fiery determination, this indomitable spirit that transforms ordinary men into legends and ordinary moments into extraordinary feats. Unity in diversity. Al-Nassr is more than just a collection of individuals. It's a melting pot of cultures, backgrounds, and beliefs. United by their love for the game, they transcend boundaries, proving that diversity is not a weakness, but a source of strength. In their unity lies their power to overcome any obstacle, the power of resilience. In the face of adversity, Al-Nassr doesn't falter, they rise. Each setback is met with unwavering resilience, a refusal to be defined by defeat. They understand that true strength isn't measured by victories alone, but by the ability to persevere in the face of adversity, a beacon of inspiration. Beyond the confines of the football pitch, Al-Nassr serves as a beacon of inspiration for millions around the globe. Their story reminds us that no dream is too big, no challenge too daunting, and no goal too distant. They embody the belief that with passion, perseverance, and unity, anything is possible. Conclusion. Al-Nassr isn't just a football club, it's a testament to the power of the human spirit.